Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to set up Microsoft Authenticator on iOS device. So let's get started. So here we are in office.com in our Google Chrome, and you want to go into office.com because you want to sign in here first. Once you're signed in, you should be seeing something like this because I am currently signed in right here. So once you're here, what you want to do is click on the top right of your screen. You can see your profile button right here. So you want to click on that and click on My Microsoft Account next. So click on this one. So from here, what you want to do is that you want to click on the Security tab right here on the left side of your screen right here. Click on that. And now you can see these four options, and what you want is the Advanced Security option. So you want to click on this one as well. So once you click on that one, then the next thing that we would need to do is that we're going to click here on add a new way to sign in or verify so that we would be able to add our authenticator. So click on that. And then from here, you want to click on use an app right here. So click on this one. And from here, you want to click on get it now. And from here, you want to download the app from your phone or your tablet or whatsoever on your iOS device. So as you can see right here in my phone, in my iOS phone, I will now be downloading the Microsoft Authenticator right here in my device. So this is from the App Store. So yeah, it would not take very long for the download. And while that is downloading, you want to click on next right here so that you would be able to get this QR code right here. And now as you can see, I have now downloaded it. So now I'm going to click on open on my Microsoft Authenticator. And then from here, I'm just going to accept and continue. And then from here, you have three options. So what you want to go for here is scan a QR code because we have a QR code now. Or you could just sign in with Microsoft with your email and password, and you would need to verify it and so on. So in this case, I'm just going to scan a QR code. So I'm going to click on that and click on allow. And then from here, I'm just simply going to scan it here. And now from here, I'm just going to click on allow for this one. And you just need to wait for this one, and you want to click allow next and then go for your Face ID right there. And now once you're here, what you want to do is that you want to skip this one right here. So we're just interested in setting this up right here and click on finish. And just like that, you are now set up for your Microsoft Authenticator on your iOS device. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful to you. So that is everything. Thank you for watching.